Step 1. Step your feet wide about 3 to 4 feet apart, knees in line with your toes pointing to the corners of the mat. Step 2. Bend the knees deeply, stacking them over the ankle, thighs parallel to the ground, tailbone pointing towards the floor. Step 3. Engage your core muscles, lift your chest, relax your shoulders, extend your arms wide, elbows in line with your shoulders, palms forward, fingers pointing towards the ceiling, gaze forward. Reaching your hands up to the corners of the room. Breathe out. My hand stays here, palms face forward, knees in line with I move the knees in line with my toes, pushing my palms back. Next variation, I bring my arms in line, palms facing forward, push back. 2. So you're working on your lower body as well as your upper body. And 3, reach up and back. I'm going to bend my elbows slightly, push back. Feel it in your shoulder blades. Exhale, bring your elbows towards your waist, push back. Now raise your right heel, adjust your left heel closer into your awkward goddess pose. Squeeze again and back. This time, raise the left heel, drop nice and low. 2 and 1. Squeeze and back. Now if you need to adjust slightly. Raise both your heels up and go down. 5, 4, we're going to stay here. It's going to really feel this. 2 and 1. Squeeze and come up. Thank you so much for being here, spending your time with me. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you thought this video was valuable to you, please like and share. Namaste.